Welcome, learners, to a transformative journey through the realm of public speaking. Today, we embark on a quest to understand and conquer the fear that often looms over this essential skill. Public speaking may seem like a daunting mountain to climb, but fear not. With the right strategies and mindset, you can ascend to new heights of confidence and effectiveness. Picture this. You're standing before a crowd, your heart pounding, palms sweaty, as anxiety threatens to engulf you. But fear not, for you are not alone on this journey. In this session, we'll delve into the depths of public speaking fear, uncovering its roots and mastering the techniques to conquer it. By the end of our expedition, you'll wield a powerful arsenal of strategies, honed to tame the fear that once held you captive. With newfound confidence and clarity, you'll emerge as a beacon of inspiration and influence in any speaking arena. So, let's cast aside our doubts and insecurities as we embark on this odyssey together. With each step forward, we'll inch closer to the summit of public speaking mastery, empowered to captivate and inspire audiences far and wide. But first, let's equip ourselves with the tools to understand and overcome the fear of public speaking. Here are a few essential tips to guide us on our journey. Tip 1. Acknowledge common causes. Understand that fear of public speaking often stems from fear of judgment, failure, or embarrassment. Recognizing these triggers is the first step towards conquering them. Tip 2. Seek inspiration from personal anecdotes. Draw strength from the stories of individuals who have triumphed over public speaking fear. Their journeys serve as beacons of hope and motivation on our path to confidence. Tip 3. Embrace stress management techniques. Learn to tame the anxiety beast with deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, and mindfulness meditation. These tools will anchor us in moments of uncertainty. Tip 4. Embrace gradual exposure. Conquer fear through exposure, starting with small speaking opportunities and gradually scaling up. With each triumph, our confidence will soar higher, propelling us towards mastery. Tip 5. Harness the power of positive affirmations. Replace self-doubt with affirmations of confidence and self-assurance. Visualize success and watch as our belief in ourselves transforms our reality. Tip 6. Cultivate a supportive environment. Surround ourselves with a tribe of allies who uplift and encourage us on our journey. Together, we'll weather the storms and emerge stronger, united in our pursuit of greatness. And with these guiding principles in hand, let us march forward with courage and conviction. The path to public speaking mastery awaits, and together, we shall conquer our fears and seize our destiny.